before and after. Alright guys, let's start with tip number 1. For me, tip number 1 is get yourself something to drink in the morning. If you're a coffee person, get your coffee. If you're a tea person, have a cup of tea. If you're really great at doing things for yourself, have a cup of water with some lemon. My second tip is to wash your face. A lot of people don't wash their face in the morning. Your face is rejuvenating itself at night. You have a lot of cell turnover. You're laying in your bed. Stuff is going to get on your face or come through to the surface of your face from internally that you really should wipe off before you apply makeup or apply a really great moisturizer. To do that today, I just used my Clarisonic Mia 2, and you just turn it on and you'll go around your face with your cleanser, whatever cleanser you like, and it times it for you, so it's super easy to get a nice deep clean first thing in the morning. Then what I like to do next is take a cold washcloth, even better if you've prepped and left one in the fridge during the night, and I'll take it, and this will really help with the puffiness because as you can see, I literally just woke up. So take your damp cloth and just lay it there. Give yourself a gentle press around your entire face. You can use this to remove the cleanser or just to kind of calm down your skin. This feels so refreshing, and it actually does tighten your blood vessels, tighten your skin, and reduce puffiness around the face. The next thing you need to do is apply skincare. So what I like to do first in the morning is apply a hydrating serum. The one I'm using today is Derma E Hydrating Serum Hyaluronic Acid. So this is going to really plump up my skin. I love using a hyaluronic acid in the morning. And so I'll take a little bit. It's just milky like this. Using your fingers to gently massage some kind of sweet product of the skin. Really great for blood vessels to receive the product and for your pores to receive the product. Also give yourself a little facial massage. Put it across your lips. Of course, we're gonna bring it up the neck. And serum is done. Next, I will apply an under eye product. This one is amazing. It's Kate Somerville Goat Milk Depuffing Eye Balm. So this looks like a chapstick, and all you do is just swipe it right under the eyes. I usually do a couple swipes and pull upwards. And then I'll use a facial moisturizer to follow up with the serum that we used. And today, like I have before, I'm using the Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. It's made of mostly water and very few ingredients. It's a very basic moisturizer, but you can see already on my skin how hydrated it's getting. And I'm really massaging this in, because when you're using good moisturizers, don't waste it. Use it as an experience, as something that you know you're giving to your skin. Massage that in. I like to massage my little lines up here, give them some love. Done. Next, we use lip balm. So we prepped our lips with a little bit of that hydration from the hyaluronic serum. The lip balm I want to use is by Fresh. It is the Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. It's thebomb.com. Take it on my finger and apply a generous layer. Get in those corners, especially if you're a lipstick person. You want to have really hydrated, plump lips that are going to look great once you apply lip color. So get it all around, get it on the outside of your lips. A really good lip balm like this is going to really supply nourishment to your lips and also to the skin around it. So circle around the lips, really get in there. The last thing I'll do, and then I'll get ready after this, is I like to put on a perfume. This is the 72 Poetic License by Lolia. That is the brand, and the scent is Velvet as Night. So this is a really nice perfume. I posted it on my Instagram and described it as like a really good smelling lipstick mixed with the smell of an old theater mixed with frankincense. It sounds really weird, but it smells like, I think it just is very vintage, and that's why I like it the most.